Welcome to our day home. I am Devinder. In this video, I will explain you class 8 maths. Now you can see here exercise 2.5 question number 6. In a class of 40 pupils, the number of girls is 3/5 of the number of boys. Find the number of boys in the class. First, you can see here total number of students are how many? 40 students are available. See here they have given one condition that the number of girls is 3/5 of the number of boys. First of all, you can take here our assumption is let the number of boys in a class is x. You can take here let the number of boys in a class is how much here? X only, so that if the boys are x, the girls will be equal to c. The girls is 3/5 of the number of boys. That means you can write here then the number of girls in a class is equal 3/5 of number of boys. Boys are how many here? X only. That means you can write here 3/5 into x. That means you can write here 3/5 x only. See here already given that the total number of students is how much? Total number of students 40. Yes or no? See here a class consists of boys and girls. So that I am writing here implies boys are how many? X only. Girls will be 3/5 x is equal to how much? 40. Now you can solve this simple equation. You know that x means here x by 1. See what is the LCM of 1 and 5? 5 only. Yes or no? Or you can do cross multiplication. 5 into x. You can write here 5x plus 1 into 3. 3 into x you can write here 3x is equal to 40. Now you can see here next you can transpose 5 to RHS or you can write in next step 5 plus 3 is how much? 8x. 8x by 5 is equal to 40. Next step you can transpose 5 to RHS, that means 8x is equal to 40 into 5. That means you can write here implies 8x is equal to 4 5 ja how much? 200. Next step you can write here x is equal, you need to find only x number of boys, so that you can transpose 8 to RHS, it will become division. That means you can write here x is equal 200 by 8. That means 8 1 ja 8. Is there any possibility to simplification? 8 2 ja how much? 8 2 ja 16. Remainder is how much? 40. 40 means 8 5 ja. See here 8 5 ja how much? 40. That means you can see here implies x is equal to 25. What do you mean by x here? X means number of boys. You can write here the number of boys in a class is how much? 25. In that question they are asking only boys, so you can find only boys only. Now you can see here exercise 2.5 question number 8. Aravind has a kiddie bank. It is full of 1 rupee and 50 paise coins. It contains 3 times as many 50 paise coins as 1 rupee coins. The total amount of the money in the bank is rupees 35. How many coins of each coin are there in the bank? You can try to understand the question carefully. Arvind has a kid bank. It is full of 1 rupee and 50 paise coins. Some of the 1 rupee coins, other will be 50 paise coins here. See, it contains, that means here kiddie bank contains 3 times as many 50 paise coins as 1 rupee coins. First of all, you can assume that 1 rupee coins as x. You can take here, let the number of 1 rupee coins here how much? X only. If 1 rupee coins is x, then it contains 3 times as many 50 paise coins here. 50 paise coins as 1 rupee coins means then the number of 50 paise coins will be 3x here. Here the number of 50 paise coins will be 3x. Therefore, you can say the value of 1 rupee coins here. See, if 1 rupee coin, if you have 1 into 1, you will get 1 rupee only. If you have 2 coins with having 1 rupee coin, 2 1 how much? 2 only. If you are having x coins, you can write here x into 1 rupee coins. You have how many here? Only one. Sorry. The denomination is 1 rupee coin. There are total number of coins is x. So that you can get here x into 1 how much? X only. But you can represent here rupees x. Why? Because it is already 1 rupee. Yes or no? It is 1 rupee. So I written here rupee symbol into x. 1 into x is how much? X only. See, value of 50 pice coins. See here, how many number of coins are available? 50 pice coins. 3x. Yes or no? 3x. 50 pice coins means, can I write here 50 pice or not? Yes, 50 pice. But once you can say this is in the form of rupees. Yes or no? Rupees or not? Yes. Here 50 pice. How can you convert 50 pice to rupee? Just you can divide with 100. That means you can write here 3x into 50 pice by 100. That means this will become here now rupees. It will become rupee. See here 51 ja 50, 52 ja 100 or not? Yes. That means here 3x here you can write here 51 ja 50, 52 ja 100. That means 3x into 1 you will get how much? 3x only by 2. That means here the value of 50 pice coins is equal to 3x by 2. Rupees 1 rupee coins will be x only. That means total value in the kitty bank will be equal to here. The total value of all coins is equal to here how much? X only. Here how much? 3x by 2. That means just I am adding together. X plus 3x by 2. This is 1 rupee coins total value. This will be 50 pice total value. See, already given that the total amount of the bank in a year, how much the total amount in the bank? See, rupees 35. Yes or no? Yes. So that you can equate here x plus 3x by 2 is equal 35. Now you can simplify it easily. See here x means it is x by 1. 1 and 2 LCM is how much? 2 only. Then 2 into x you can write here 2x plus 3x into 1 you can write here 3x is equal 35. In the next step you can transpose 2 to RHS. Yes or no? That means here 2x plus 3x is how much? 5x is equal 35 into 2. Yes or no? 35 2 is how much? Here you will get implies 5x is equal 70. Then implies, can I write here x is equal 70 by 5 or not? Yes. That means here, why? Because 5 I transpose it to right side, it will become division. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, remainder 25, 4 ja 20. That means x is equal to how much? 14. That means x means here, what is that x here? Number of 1 rupee coins. Number of 1 rupee coins here how much? 14. You can write here number of 1 rupee coins. Number of 1 rupee coins is equals 14. Then number of, you need to find here number of 50 paisa coins. 50 paisa coins is equals, see, already you know that number of 1 rupee coins is x, number of 50 paisa coins is equal to how much? 3x. That means you can write here 3x means you can write here 3 into 14. That means here 3 4 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3, 3 plus 1 how much? 4 or not? Yes. That means you can see here the number of 1 rupee coins is 14 here. The number of 50 paisa coins will be 42 here. In that question they are asking just find the number of 1 rupee coins and 50 paisa coins. That means your answer is how much? 14 comma 42 is your answer respectively. Now you can see here question number 9 in exercise 2.5. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. If A alone can finish the same work in 20 days, in how many days B alone can finish it? That means if A and B together can do in 12 days, A alone can do in 20 days. They are asking that just find in how many days B alone can finish it. So that I am writing here A alone can finish the work in how many days here? 20 days or not? Yes, you can write here 20 days. See, if he is completing in 20 days, his A's 1 day work will be just, you can reciprocal of 20 is how much? 1 by 20 or not? You can write here A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 20. For example, just I am asking you, if a person can do the work in 2 days, his 1 day work will be half or not? Yes or no? Today half work will he can do, tomorrow half work. That means total work will be one work completed or not. So that just you can do a reciprocal of the given days. You can take here 1 day work. You see, if he is completing in 25 days, you can take here 1 day work will be 1 by 25. Is it okay? Just you can write here, yes, 1 day work will be 1 by 20. And also, see, I don't know. In that question, they are asking B alone can finish it. We need to find. So that I am taking here, let B alone can finish the same work in X days. I am taking here how many days here? X days. See, A can finish the work in 20 days means A's 1 day work will be 1 by 20 or not. So that B's 1 day work will be 1 by X. Just you can write what is the reciprocal of X. You can take 1 by X only. Already given that. See, as per the data, A and B together can finish a piece of work in how many days? 12 days. That means you can write here, therefore A plus B is 1 day work. A plus B is 1 day work is equal to, here how much? Here A and B together in 12 days. 1 day work means 1 by 12. Yes or no? But A and B means you can add A's 1 day work and B's 1 day work. A's 1 day work is how much? 1 by 20. 1 by 20 plus B's 1 day work is how much? 1 by X is equal to 1 by 12. You can write here. Is it okay? This is A's 1 day work. This will be B's 1 day work. This is A plus B's 1 day work. You can finally to find the constant terms so that you can transpose 22 RHS. That means you can write here 1 by X is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. Now you can see both are the constant or not? Yes. Now you can find the LCM. What is the LCM of 12 and 20? You can see 12 and 20 is LCM. See here 2 6 ja, 2 10 ja. Here 2 3 ja, 2 5 ja. 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So you can stop here. 2 2 ja how much? 4. 4 3 ja how much? 12. 12 5 ja how much? 60. That means you can write here 60 as your LCM. First you can divide LCM with denominator. 12 5 is 60 or not? Yes, you can write here 5 into 1. 5 into 1, 5 only. Minus, you can divide 60 with 20. 23 is 60 or not? So that you can write here 3 into 1. 3 only here, 1 by X. Implies you can write here 1 by X is equal to 5 minus 3 is how much? 2 only. Yes or no? 2 by 60. Is there any possibility you can simplify it? 2 by 60 means, see, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. That means 30 times. 30 times will be 60 or not? So that you can write here 1 by X is equal to 1 by 30. Yes or no? Just you can do here cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means 30 into 1. Here X into 1. That means X into 1 is how much? X only is equal 30 into 1 how much? 30. That means X means here how much? X means, what do you mean by X? You can see your question. X means B alone can finish the work in how many days? X days. That means X is equal to how many days you got here? 30 days. Therefore, you can write here answer as B alone can finish the work. B alone can finish the work in 30 days. Your answer is how much? 30 is your answer. Just they are asking here, in how many days B alone can finish the work? In 30 days he will be completed. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in Class 8 Maths playlist videos.